everyone! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat and welcome to the day 12 of my 90 days Go Run Success Challenge. Today we offer advice for overcoming obstacles. Obstacles are always going to happen in any business. The secret to success is not to let them stop you, but to be able to overcome them. For example, in this digital business, we use social media to promote and run our business. Kailangan mong malampasan ang mga bagay tulad ng Facebook shutting you down. Kung mangyari ito, maaari kang humingi ng reactivate your account, ngunit hindi ibig sabihin you have to shut your business down. Malampasan mo ang hadlang sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ibang platform tulad ng YouTube, TikTok at iba pa. And you have the ability to use the warm market, which is physically talking to the people and to keep business alive. Tulad ko, maaaring ikaw ay mahiyain at walang kumpiyansa sa paggawa ng live ng mga video para sa inyong business. Upang malampasan ito, maaari kang gumawa ng mga larawan, animation, maaari kang gumawa ng isang slideshow habang may nilalagay na kanang audio. Obstacles that happen can easily be overcome through with training and the support of the other business partner. Do not hesitate to ask questions of others for help. Sometimes it takes a second perspective and outside view to find a solution. Thank you for following the likes and comments and support of my challenge. To learn more about this amazing business opportunity, please follow the link of anisitawayamhurst.com and see you for my day 13